Mimi has invented a brand new way to organize your photos. She puts your photo albums into calendar events. Your calendar becomes a natural, efficient way to find and play the albums, even years later. It's a simple idea that turns out to be powerful and elegant. For example, you can see all the albums of a trip or family vacation in context, like a photo diary. If you use Mimi over the years, you record your personal life story, your visual autobiography. This is my calendar of the last couple of years. All of the red entries were made with Mimi. In November, my wife and I visited Paris. Let's take a look. Forever, I'll be able to come back to these calendar pages to see any album I want in the context of the trip as a whole. For example, on the 7th, we had a big museum day. We visited the Musée d'Orsay, took a walk across the Seine, visited l'Orangerie for a Monet fix, and in the evening we went to the Louvre. Take a look at that ceiling. We got home in time for Thanksgiving. A real Norman Rockwell experience. Let's move up to January 2019. Our New Year's Eve party was not traditional. Mimi makes all this happen. You go to some event like this party, or you do something you're passionate about. You take photos and videos. Later, you create a Google Photos album. You click Mimi, and she preserves that memory forever in a calendar entry. We could do this all day, but you get the idea. To install Mimi, go to the description just below this video, click Show More, and click on the Install Mimi link. If you want to learn more about Mimi, click on the Go to Mimi website link. You'll love Mimi. Give her a try.